Hello students, how are you? Welcome in this video and I hope you are fit and fine with your family. Stay safe, stay indoors. Now in this video I am going to solve question number 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 2.3 from page number 30. This is page number 30 and these questions are related to the fractions. So fourth question is multiply and reduce to lowest form. We have to multiply the given fractions and convert them to the lowest form if possible. Means if it is possible to convert, then we have to do, otherwise not. First part is 3 by 5 multiply 2 and 2 by 5. So it is equal to 3 by 5 into 5 to 10 plus 2 12 upon 5. It is 12 3 36 upon 25. Okay. Now you can see that the numerator is bigger, so it is the form of improper fraction, but we have to convert it into lowest form. Lowest form means if both these are divisible by any number, then you have to divide. So this is 36 and 25. You have to check by which number these are divisible. Okay. Now this is divisible by 5 only, but this cannot be divisible. आप easily check कर सकते हैं. If you think about 25, it is divisible by 5 and 25, but it is not divisible by 5 and 25. So this number cannot be reduced in lowest form. And second part is 3 upon 5 into 5 upon 6. As you can see, 5 and 5 can be cancelled and it is 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So it is 1 upon 2. So this is the lowest form. Third part is 1 upon 4 into 32 upon 3. Now you can check for the numerators and denominators. आपको देखना है कि न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में से कौन से नंबर कैंसिल आउट हो सकते हैं. मीन्स अगर 32 3 से डिविजिबल नहीं है तो 4 से भी हो सकता है. ओके, एज यू नो 4 1 जा 4, 4 8 जा 32. अगेन इट इज 8 1 जा 8 and 3 1 ja 3. Now 8 and 3 cannot be divided by any other number. So this fraction is in its simplest form. Now students, note it down and you check the answers also. So it is 2.3 fourth question. So the answer of fourth is 1 and 11 upon 5. Second is half and third is 2 upon 3. Actually in your book all these fractions are converted into a mixed fraction. Okay. So if we consider by converting these fractions into lowest form, means अगर हम lowest form को ये माने कि ये मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. बाय द वे दीज आंसर्स आर करेक्ट. ओके, सो इफ यू डिवाइड 36 by 25, it is 25 1 ja 25, remainder is 11 and this is 25 because I explained you this concept in the previous video. In this way, so divide 8 by 3, 3 2 ja 6, remainder is 2 and 3 is as it is. So the answer is 2 and 2 upon 3. Okay students, I have solved 3 parts and fourth part will be given in the assignment. Now the question number 5. Question number 5 is which is greater? This is the important question. Now first part is 2 upon 3 of 1 upon 5 or 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 6. 2 upon 3 of 1 upon 5 और 3/5 of 5/6. Okay, now listen, we have to find which is greater. As you know how to find the greatest or smallest fractions among some given fractions. So of means always multiply, so write multiply sign. It is equal to 2 1 2 and 5 3 15. Okay, and 3/5 of is converted into multiply 5/6. So you can simplify this. Okay, as you can see it is 2/15. Okay, so 5 and 5, let it be as it is, 15/30. All right, listen students, there are different ways to find a greatest or smallest fraction. यहाँ पर हम fractions को इस फॉर्म में रखेंगे कि ये चेक करना हमारे लिए इजी हो कि ग्रेटेस्ट कौन सा है. सो इट इज 3 5 15 and 5 6 30. नाउ इफ यू कैन मेक द डिनोमिनेटर्स इक्वल देन यू कैन इजीली चेक. यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर 15 है, यहाँ पर 30 है. सो इसको हम 30 में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो 2/15 इंटू 15 को 30 में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमें 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. सो वी विल परफॉर्म द मल्टीप्लीकेशन विद 2/2. इट इज 4/30. okay, and this is the second fraction. As you can see, this fraction is bigger than this because denominator is same but numerator is bigger. Now you can write, since 15/30 is greater than 4/30, hence अगर ये फ्रैक्शन बिगर है तो दिस विल बी बिगर. मीन्स फ्रॉम दिस मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन वी हैव फाउंड 15/30. आपको 15/30 कहां से मिला? यहां से. सो दिस इज द बिगर. हैंस यू कैन राइट 3/5 of 5/6 is bigger. In this way you can write your answer. Okay students, pause the video and note it down. And next question is 6th. It is also important. The question is find, simply find. First part, 3/4 of a year. Now what is the meaning of 3/4? It means this is a fraction and year. So this is 1 year. Now convert this into months. So 1 year equal to 12 months. Then you have to find 3/4 of 12 months. What is the meaning of 3/4? Listen, we have to select 3 parts out of 4 parts. अब देखिए इसको हम विदाउट कॉपी पेन भी कर सकते हैं. अगर हम okay, so first we will solve this, then I will tell you a short method. Now 3/4, you have to write 3/4. Of means multiply and year means 12 months. As you can see 12 is divided by 4 3 times. Now it is equal to 9 months. Alright students, second part, it's very interesting question. 2/5 of a rupee. Now 2/5 of a rupee means simply 2/5 of means multiply, rupee means 100 paise. You have to remember that 1 rupee is 100 paise. Now divide 100 by 5 20 times, as 22 into 20 is 40 paise. Okay students, pause the video and note it down. Now there are 2 more parts, third and fourth. So for your convenience I am going to solve either of these. Okay, so I think fourth part. Okay, fourth part is important. fourth part is 11/25 of a liter. 11/25 of a liter. Now it is 11/25. Of means multiply. Whenever you see this word, okay, of, so convert it into multiplication. A liter means we have to convert this into milliliter. As you know, 1 liter equals 1000 milliliter. So write 1000 milliliter. Now this 1000 is divisible by 25. 25 4 is 100. The remaining 0 we will put here. It is 40. Now it is 11 into 40 ml. Now it's very easy. 11 4 is 44. Put this 0 and it is 440 ml. So the answer of fourth part is 440 ml. Okay students, now I have finished these 3 questions and finally I am going to tell you the short method of this question. So I will explain only first part. Okay, note it down. This is rough work. Okay, note it down. So 3/4 of a year. 3/4 of a year. Listen carefully. 3/4 का मतलब होता है टोटल 4 पार्ट्स हैं, उनमें से 3 पार्ट्स हमें सेलेक्ट करने हैं. ठीक है. अब 1 ईयर में 12 मंथ्स होते हैं. 12 मंथ्स को आपको 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. एज यू नो 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में हम इस तरह से डिवाइड करेंगे. 3 3 3 एंड 3. दीज आर 12 मंथ्स. नाउ वी हैव टू सेलेक्ट 3 आउट ऑफ 4. हमें 4 में से 3 पार्ट सेलेक्ट करने हैं, तो ये 3 पार्ट्स हम सेलेक्ट कर लेंगे. नाउ फाइंड द टोटल. 3 3 and 3 9. So the answer is 9 months. Okay students, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sincerely do your homework which is given in your assignment. Best of luck.